Yes, your script without the timing is here. Imagine this happening deep within the planet, where only the most brilliant minds dare to go. The universe's deepest secrets are about to be unlocked by a massive machine that is humming with power. Scientists stare intently at their screens, ready to record the unimaginable, filling the air with anticipation. The revelations looking for us could reshape how we might interpret presence. The Higgs boson is yet another surprising finding from the Large Hadron Collider, LHC. The weight of a particle that is crucial to our comprehension of the universe is higher than initially thought. The standard model of particle physics is fundamentally based on the Higgs boson, also known as the Higgs particle. In a process known as quantum excitation, it arises when the Higgs field, a fundamental field in the theory of particle physics, is excited. The Higgs boson is the heavyweight champion in this model. A scalar boson is a type of particle without a spin, electric charge, or color charge. However, it is extremely unstable and has a propensity to disintegrate into additional particles as soon as it is formed. The Higgs field resembles an enormous embroidery that stretches across the universe. Through the Higgs mechanism, it gives mass to all particles and is always non-zero even in empty space. It's as if the Higgs field were hosting a party, inviting all particles to join in, giving them mass, and causing the symmetry of the universe to be disrupted. We owe this concept to physicist Peter Higgs, who in 1964 proposed the Higgs mechanism with a group of scientists. The prediction of the Higgs boson was made possible by this groundbreaking theory, which explains how particles gain mass. It resembles assembling a riddle. In the event that their thoughts were right, there must be a molecule with specific properties, and the Higgs boson affirmed these. After 40 years of research, the Higgs boson, also known as the God particle, was found in 2012. The powerful ATLAS and CMS experiments at the Large Hadron Collider helped scientists locate the rare gem. They tracked down a molecule that matched the long-looked-for properties of the Higgs boson. The finding was comparable to locating the missing piece of the cosmic puzzle. Peter Higgs and François Englert, two of the most prominent theorists, were given the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2013 due to the significance of this breakthrough. However, it must be acknowledged that a large number of scientists worked together for decades to achieve this significant milestone. The fundamental theory known as the Higgs mechanism was independently developed by a number of researchers between the years 1960 and 1972. Quick forward to late years, as the LHC proceeded with its work and gathered more information. The Higgs boson's mass, which is greater than 125 gigaelectron volts, GeV, was discovered by scientists when they examined it in greater detail. This finding has sparked controversy because it raises the possibility that some fundamental aspects of our understanding of the universe will need to be rethought if the Higgs boson turns out to be heavier than previously thought. Does this imply that we must abandon the standard model and begin from scratch? Necessarily not. However, it does point to the exciting possibility of novel forces or particles that defy comprehension. The finding adds a new piece to the puzzle that could alter our perspective on the universe. Interest in the Higgs field and the role it played in the universe's formation has been rekindled since the heavier Higgs boson was discovered. The mysterious particle has been the subject of research ever since its initial discovery. Later on, research on the Higgs boson is supposed to increment, particularly during the third pattern of the LHC. This will be particularly evident after the culmination of the atom smasher and high-radiance innovation overhauls in 2029. This update will permit the LHC to perform more impacts, allowing scientists a more noteworthy opportunity of finding uncommon peculiarities that digress from the standard model of molecule material science. After the upgrade, the LHC is expected to produce approximately 15 million Higgs bosons annually, up from 3 million in 2017. This expanded creation could assist with distinguishing various kinds of Higgs bosons past the standard model. There are up to 5 different kinds of Higgs bosons, some of which are more rare than the fundamental Higgs boson, according to some theories. The existence of magnetic Higgs bosons was supported by compelling evidence even prior to these advancements. But what is the significance of the Higgs boson? Only the Higgs field exists. It is the only known field that penetrates everything and gives all other fields and particles mass. The Higgs boson's understanding opens the door to new physics discoveries. For instance, the Higgs boson could assist with responding to inquiries concerning dim matter, which is multiple times more plentiful than typical matter and is needed for the development of cosmic systems. Dark matter may interact with the Higgs field to shed light on previously unknown aspects of the universe. Dark energy, which is responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe, may also be explained by the Higgs boson. New physical laws and different universes could be discovered through this field. In addition, the Higgs field is necessary for our existence. Electrons would not be able to form atoms without it, leading to a universe devoid of stars, galaxies, and life. Therefore, despite the fact that the Higgs boson's discovery represents a significant advance, its true significance may not yet be apparent, which could result in the establishment of brand new paradigms for our comprehension of the universe. However, the Higgs boson is only one target of the LHC search. Dark matter and other unusual particles are being looked for by researchers. Supersymmetry, one of these theories, suggests the existence of superparticles, which are heavier versions of known particles. However, despite its power, the LHC hasn't found any solid evidence to support the theory, which leads to more questions than answers. Extra dimensions, like those depicted in science fiction films, are also being investigated by the LHC. The fact that gravity is weaker than the other forces could be explained by these dimensions. Small particles known as gravitons, according to some researchers, have the potential to reveal these occluded dimensions and alter our perception of spacetime. Although the search for these particles has yielded some results, there is still a lot we don't know. A revolutionary discovery of one of these particles would reveal novel forces, novel particles, and the universe's structure. Regardless of whether we find these particles, the LHC will in any case give significant information that pushes the limits of human information. The scientific community has been shaken by recent LHC discoveries of particles that defy the standard model. The existence of a significant new force in nature is suggested by these unusual particles and decays. Beauty quark decay was observed in unexpected ways by the LHCb experiment, pointing to the existence of a fifth fundamental force. This new power,